In this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN login not working. So for that, first of all, click and hold on to the ESPN icon. Click on App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Click on Clear Cache. After that, go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for ESPN. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already up to date, then you can check your internet connection if it is working properly or not. And if there is any VPN, proxy or any ad blockers turned on, simply turn it off. Or you can simply reset your credentials where you can find need help signing in. From there you will be sent a verification email. There you can copy the passcode, paste it here and then use it. And if it's still not working, then you can simply try using it through a browser. And that's it. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.